Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Hyundai Tucson wiper blades. First, to safely access your wiper blades, you'll need to put them in service mode. With the car off, press the start button twice without pressing the brake. Then, within 20 seconds, push and hold the wiper stock up for about 3 seconds until the wipers move to the upright position. This prevents them from hitting the hood when lifted. Now that your wipers are in service mode, you can safely lift each wiper arm away from the windshield. Be careful, as the arm is spring-loaded. Next, you'll see a small clip where the blade connects to the arm. Press this clip to release the locking mechanism. Once released, slide the old wiper blade down and off the J-hook connector. Repeat this process for the other front wiper blade. With the old blade removed, take your new wiper blade. For the front, the driver's side typically uses a 26-inch blade and the passenger side a 16-inch blade. Align the new blade's connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the blade up until you hear a click, indicating it's securely locked. Once both new blades are attached, carefully lower the wiper arms back onto the windshield, ensuring they don't snap down. To complete the process, turn your car on and operate the wipers briefly. This will return them to their resting position. Check that they clear the windshield effectively and smoothly, without any streaking or hitting the hood. Replacing your wiper blades regularly, about once a year, ensures optimal visibility and safety. For more helpful tips and great deals, including leak-proof containers to make meal prep easy, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.